So many of you are wanting to get in tune with us. Yes, you will have this wonderful way to finally hear us when your frequency strengthens. Yes, wonderful gifts that you begin to use will lift you up when you are unstable. A new way to feel this light that attracts others, that begin this way of healing hearts and visit with us together so you are united and supported every time you are working together for a single cause, a focused energy that begins to attract a big following. Do not worry about needing to get them to come to you. They will vibrate with you and you will expect them to find you and not the other way around. Yes, this way of working together is very powerful and necessary to work with us before you are ready to work with them. Imagine having a conversation with those who willingly listen to you without judgment, encouraging you to follow your dreams, guide you toward your victories, see you through all your challenges and successes, bring out the best in you, and always tell you the truth. You can handle the truth, right? This will be one of your challenges as you get to know yourself better. This describes what you can expect from the conversations you will be having with your spirit guides and angels in your coaching session with me and your team of guides. This is about experiencing how to tune into your guides so conversations with them can begin to flow naturally. When this starts, you will feel a transition happening within yourself, realigning the connection you used to have with them when these conversations were as natural as breathing. It will feel like a reunion, but you must be open to it. Having expectations will dilute your experience. Being open will allow the conversation with your guides to flow naturally